Governor Katie Hobbs signed a pair of executive orders this week dealing with state policy on LGBTQ+ issues.
The orders reverse one ban and put in place another. Shelly Garzon has the details from our Washington bureau.
To Gene Woodbury, Governor Katie Hobbs' recent executive orders strengthening protections for the LGBTQ+ community in Arizona are a step in the right direction.
These executive orders represent a huge step forward for Arizona, but it's just the start. There's so much more that we can do to protect our community.
Kathy Herod couldn't disagree more.
Arizona Governor Hobbs continues to attempt to enact an extreme left agenda that denies parents the ability to oversee the education, the healthcare, the upbringing of their children, that forces taxpayers to pay for services that taxpayers have moral and other concerns about.
Hobbs signed 2 orders Tuesday. The first reverses a previous policy that excluded gender-affirming care from health insurance policies for state workers.
By removing that exclusion and making sure that the state healthcare plan does cover gender-affirming surgeries, it's life-changing for people who were seeking that care and weren't able to get access to it before.
The second calls on state agencies to create policies that protect younger members of the LGBTQ+ community from effects of so-called conversion therapy, programs that aim to change sexual orientation or gender identity. The order also prohibits the use of state or federal funds for the practice. Woodbury says many families are not fully aware of what conversion therapy is and mistakenly send their kids in hopes it will help them. Herod says the state should not be denying people the ability to seek the treatment they want. She calls both the executive orders a power grab on the governor's behalf. In Washington, Shelly Garzon, Cronkite News.
The 2 orders came just days after an executive order dealing with abortion.
The governor ordered that only the attorney general will be able to bring charges in abortion cases, taking the decision out of local prosecutors' hands.